In today's fast-paced world, where time is of the essence and cleanliness is non-negotiable, innovative solutions have become essential. Scrub Clean Pro stands as a testament to the power of innovation in the realm of cleaning products. This revolutionary brand has redefined the way we perceive cleanliness, offering not just products, but holistic cleaning solutions. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of Scrub Clean Pro, exploring its history, the science behind its products, its impact on the market, and why it has become the go-to choice for cleaning enthusiasts worldwide. I have collected the buying link of this product and put it in this video description. You can buy it. 1. The birth of a revolution. Scrub Clean Pro didn't emerge overnight. It was born out of a vision to transform the cleaning industry. Founded by visionary entrepreneurs, the brand set out to create products that were not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. The journey of Scrub Clean Pro, from concept to reality, reflects a commitment to innovation and sustainability. 2. The science behind Scrub Clean Pro. At the heart of Scrub Clean Pro's success lies its scientific approach to cleaning. Unlike traditional cleaning products, Scrub Clean Pro incorporates cutting-edge technology and bio-friendly ingredients. This fusion results in a range of products that not only remove dirt and grime, but also disinfect and protect surfaces. From advanced enzymatic cleaners to eco-friendly disinfectants, each product is meticulously crafted to deliver exceptional results without harming the environment. 3. The product range. Scrub Clean Pro boasts an impressive array of cleaning products tailored to meet diverse needs. Whether it's tackling stubborn stains, disinfecting high-touch surfaces, or ensuring a hygienic environment, Scrub Clean Pro has a solution for every cleaning challenge. From multi-purpose sprays to specialized cleaners for specific surfaces, their product range caters to both households and commercial spaces. 4. Eco-friendly initiatives. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, Scrub Clean Pro stands out for its eco-friendly initiatives. The brand is committed to reducing its carbon footprint by employing sustainable manufacturing practices and recyclable packaging. Moreover, Scrub Clean Pro actively engages in community initiatives, promoting awareness about eco-friendly cleaning practices. By choosing Scrub Clean Pro, consumers contribute to a greener planet, making it a choice that aligns with both efficacy and ethical values. 5. Impact on the market. Scrub Clean Pro's impact on the market cannot be overstated. Its innovative products have disrupted the traditional cleaning industry, setting new benchmarks for quality and effectiveness. The brand's success can be attributed not only to its superior products, but also to its customer-centric approach. By actively listening to customer feedback, Scrub Clean Pro continuously refines its products, ensuring that they meet and exceed customer expectations. 6. Testimonials and success stories. The true measure of a product's effectiveness lies in the testimonials and success stories of its users. Scrub Clean Pro has garnered a loyal customer base that swears by its products. From homeowners to businesses, customers have shared their transformative cleaning experiences, highlighting how Scrub Clean Pro has made their lives easier and spaces cleaner. These testimonials serve as a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. 7. Scrub Clean Pro in the digital age. In today's digital age, Scrub Clean Pro has embraced technology to connect with its customers. Through informative websites, engaging social media channels, and user-friendly mobile apps, the brand provides valuable cleaning tips, tutorials, and updates about new product launches. This digital presence not only enhances customer experience, but also fosters a sense of community among cleaning enthusiasts. 8. Conclusion. Embracing a cleaner future. In conclusion, Scrub Clean Pro represents more than just a line of cleaning products. It embodies a cleaner, greener future. Through innovation, scientific prowess, and a dedication to customer satisfaction, the brand has redefined the cleaning industry. As we navigate a world where hygiene has never been more critical, Scrub Clean Pro stands as a beacon of reliability, offering not just solutions but peace of mind. In choosing Scrub Clean Pro, consumers are not merely buying cleaning products. They are investing in a healthier, safer environment for themselves and future generations. As Scrub Clean Pro continues to pave the way for innovative cleaning solutions, it beckons us to embrace a future where cleanliness is not just a choice, but a way of life. Pros. Effective stain removal. Versatile cleaning. Gentle on surfaces. Quick action formula. Pleasant fragrance. Environmentally friendly. Easy to use. Cons. Limited availability. Strong odor. Is Scrub Clean Pro safe to use on all types of surfaces? Answer. Yes, Scrub Clean Pro is formulated to be safe for use on various surfaces, including tiles, countertops, floors, and more. However, it's always a good practice to test the product on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with specific surfaces. Does Scrub Clean Pro require dilution before use? Answer. No, Scrub Clean Pro comes ready to use and does not require dilution. Simply follow the instructions on the label for the best results. Can Scrub Clean Pro remove tough, set-in stains? Answer. Yes, Scrub Clean Pro is designed to effectively tackle stubborn stains. For particularly tough stains, it's recommended to let the product sit for a few minutes before scrubbing the area for optimal results. Is Scrub Clean Pro environmentally friendly? Answer. Yes, Scrub Clean Pro is formulated to be environmentally friendly. It is made with eco-conscious ingredients, minimizing its impact on the environment while providing powerful cleaning performance. Can Scrub Clean Pro be used in high-traffic areas and commercial spaces? Answer. Absolutely, Scrub Clean Pro is suitable for both residential and commercial use. Its versatile cleaning abilities make it ideal for high-traffic areas, ensuring that surfaces remain clean and refreshed even in busy environments. In conclusion, Scrub Clean Pro stands as a reliable cleaning solution, offering efficient stain removal and versatile application across various surfaces. Its powerful yet gentle formula ensures thorough cleaning while being environmentally friendly. The product's user-friendly nature and effectiveness in tackling stubborn stains make it a top choice for both residential and commercial cleaning needs, providing a refreshing and spotless environment with ease.